Let us pray in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of our death.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, so now, and forever.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Good morning, everyone. Today's procurement activities is the main conference of 4 civil works projects. 23 equals 117, 24 equals 0066, 24 equals 0067, and 24 equals 0068, and 24 equals 0069. And one procurement of goods. 23 GF0072. Before the proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the attendees for this private conference. Our representative from Planning and Design section and from Construction section. Our back secretariat, headed by Engineer Roberto Sacainopa. Our DPWH, headed by Engineer Guinobatan. Attendance of the back members, Engineer Irene Paulog.
Present.
Engineer Ami Rebellia.
Present.
Engineer Regine Lite. Engineer Richard Moy. Engineer Kelly Andres and Restore. Engineer Data. The back is in quorum, so we'll proceed with our private conference. For our first project, contract ID 23 F00117, name of contract, repair, maintenance of DPWH building, Albay for District Engineering Office, material recovery facility for the Ligao City. Project number 2, repair maintenance of DPWH building, Albay for District Engineering Office, New Bay Area building, Paulog, Ligao City. And subproject number 3, repair maintenance of DEO building, Philippine Rice Research Institute, Seed Warehouse, Batang, Ligao City. And subproject number 4, repair maintenance of DEO building, Philippine Rice Research Institute, Drying Facility building, Batang, Ligao City. And subproject number 5, repair maintenance of Department of Environment and Natural Resources, DENR, Community Environment and Natural Resources Office, CENRO, building Barangay, Morera, Guinobatan. Approved budget for the contract, 3,500,000 pesos only. Duration, 120 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered at pickup with at least pickup license category C or small B. Amount of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction and laboratory equipment requirements, 1 unit air compressor, 1 unit bar bender, 1 unit bar cutter, 1 unit cargo truck, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit dump truck, 1 unit jackhammer, 1 unit 1 bagger mixer, and 1 unit rolling machine. For the scope of work and details of this project will be discussed by our representative in maintenance section, Engineer Regine Lite.
For the first detail, for the first location, it is required the item of risk is unfollowed. Project reward, quotational safety and health, mobilization, demobilization, underplane and enforcement with structural concrete, 3,000 PSI plus 800 feet. Reinforcement steel, deform, grade 40, formers and crossworks, underfinishing works and other civil works, storm drainage and downspout, rail door, painting works, masonry, concrete, and metalage and accessories. For the second location, um, roofing, roofing works, pre- uh, mainly roofing works for the second location. Um, for the third location is Sophia Rise, Canal, uh, walls, walls and electrical works. And for the fourth location, at Batang, mainly, the work is mainly roofing works and reinforced concrete works. And the last location is mainly waterproofing works and epoxy, uh, crack ceiling and tiles.
Let's proceed for second project. Contract ID 84F40066. Name of contract. Organizational outcome 2. Protect lives and properties against major floods. Flood management program. Construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structure and drainage system. Construction of Cabilogan flood mitigation structure, Barangay Pandan, and Barangay Tastas, Ligao City, Albay. Approved budget for the contract, 144,750,000 pesos. Duration, 300 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered at Ligao with at least 3 license category B or medium A. Amount of bidding documents, 50,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction and laboratory equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit backhoe, wheel type, 0.28 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit bar builder, 1 unit bar cutter, 1 unit cargo truck, 9 to 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit dump truck, 1 unit generator, 1 unit 1 barrel concrete mixer, 1 unit epoxy acetylene cutting boards, 1 unit payroller 1.5 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit hydro hammer, hydraulic part 560 tons capacity, 1 unit water pump, 1 unit water truck with pump 16,000 liter capacity, and 1 unit drilling machine 300 amperes capacity. For the scope of work and specification will be discussed by our representative from Planning and Design Section.
Good morning, I'm Engineer Consuelo from the Planning and Design section, here to discuss the scope of work for the project, organizational outcome to protect lives and properties against major floods, flood management program, construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of Cabilogan flood mitigation structure, Barangay Pandan and Barangay Tastas, Ligao City, located at Ligao City, Albay, with station limits at the Cabilogan River section, which is the section 1 from station 0 to station 489, and another section from the Pinamanican Creek section, starting at station 80 to station 309.93, that is the right side of the Pinamanican Creek section. And for the left side of the Pinamanican Creek section, starting from station 100 to station 309.93 with a total flood control length of flood control mitigation structure length of 888.86 linear meters. The project has an appropriation of 150 million, and the source of fund is JAA FY 2024. The for the for the section 1, Cabilogan River section, the flood control structure has a sheet pile of 6 meters covered by the pile cap, which is a concrete structure, reinforced concrete structure, and handlaid stone master, handlaid rock, and stone masonry with a thickness of 0.5 meters, and covered by a concrete slope protection of 0.15 millimeters. And stairs is provided at every 50 meters of the structure, and also 25 every interlocking interlocking pile caps are provided at every 25 meters. Then for the section 2 at the Pinamanican Creek section, the structure consists of 6 meters sheet piles, pile caps, handlaid rock embankment, stone masonry of 0.5 meters thick, concrete slope protection of 0.15 meters thick, and stairs are provided at every 50 meters, and interlocking pile caps are provided at every 25 meters. Also, parapet wall is constructed at the whole length of the structure. That's all. And note that the prices of materials are based on CNPD 2023, fourth quarter, canvas price, equipment, rental rates based on ASEL rates 2021, and labor rates based on December 2023 in region.
For our next project, contract ID 24FO0067, name of contract, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Package, Elevating Gaps or CPAG, Access Road, and of bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of bridges in the process in the Ligao City. Approved budget for the contract, 9,800,000 pesos only. Duration, 150 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered at PCAB, get this PCAB license category CENRO small b. Amount of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit backcutter, 1 unit barbender, 1 unit bulldozer, 1 unit cargo truck, and to 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit concrete saw, 1 unit concrete spreader, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit dump truck, 10 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit mechanized grain sealer, 1 unit motorized road grader, 140 horsepower capacity, 1 bagel mixer, 1 unit acetylene cutting outfit, 1 unit payloader, 1.5 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit vibratory roller, 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit water truck with pump, 16,000 liter capacity, and 1 unit drilling machine, 8 amperes capacity. The scope of work and specification will be discussed by our representative from Planning and Design Section.
Good morning. The proposed project, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating Gaps, Access Roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of bridge and approaches in Pinamanican, Ligao City, Albay, has 479.85 linear meters of concrete road, the total width of 4 meters.
All owners.
Road approach is 25.18 linear meter, having 2.0 meter width. Thickness of PCT equals 0.23. A steel hanging bridge having length of 60 linear meters. And the provision of metal guardrail and construction of stone masonry were also included.
For our next project, contract ID 24-840068, name of contract, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Building to report Barangay Paulog was Albay. Approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000 pesos. Duration 120 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered at PICAB with at least 3 conversions category C, D, or small b. Amount of bidding documents 5,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity. 1 unit backhoe with breaker, 0.8 cubic meter capacity. 1 bar cutter, 1 unit bar bender, 1 unit concrete box plant, 1 unit concrete saw, 1 unit concrete spreader, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit cutting outfit, 1 unit dump truck, 2 cubic yard capacity. 8 swim scaffoldings, rental, 1 unit jackhammer, 1 unit motorized road grader, 140 horsepower capacity, 1 bagger mixer, 1 unit payloader, 1 unit plate compactor, 1 unit transit mixer, 1 unit vibrator roller, 1 unit water truck with pump, 16,000 liter capacity, and 1 unit welding machine. For the scope of work and specification will be discussed by our representative from planning and design section.
Good morning. The proposed project is an arc-type steel truss framing structure with a dimension of 10 meter by 22 meter with 4 bays, 2 of which are 6.0 meter length and 2 with 5 meters length, and a column height of 6 meters. The scope of work of the proposed project consists of construction of concrete flooring and underdrain, provision of lower blocks, painting finish for concrete and steel structures, and fabrication of basketball ring with stand. Thank you.
For the next project, contract ID 24-840069, name of contract, organizational outcome 2, protect lives and properties against major floods, flood management program, flood management construction, maintenance of flood management structure and drainage system, construction of Cabilogan river flood mitigation structure, Barangay Bunga and Barangay Sinamanikian, Ligao City, Albay. Approved budget for the contract, 115,800,000 pesos. Duration, 270 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered at PICAB with at least 3 conversions category B or medium A. Amount of bidding documents, 50,000 pesos only. For the minimum construction equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit backhoe with breaker, 1 bar bender, 1 bar cutter, 1 unit cable truck, 9 to 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit dump truck, 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit generator, 1 unit non-bagger mixer, 1 unit coxie acetylene cutting outfit, 1 unit payloader, 1.5 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit plate compactor, 5 horsepower capacity, 1 unit vibro hammer, 60 tons capacity, 1 unit water pump, 1 unit water truck, 1,000 gallon capacity, and 1 unit welding machine. For the scope of work, this specification will be discussed by our representative from planning and design section. Please proceed.
Good morning po. The proposed project has a physical target of 692.96 linear meters flood control structure with station limits station 41 to 239.96 for section 1 and station 550 to 1044 for section 2. The flood control structure has a 6 meters steel sheet pile to be driven below the ground and the pile cap is a Class A concrete. The project is a 6-meter high structure from the top of the pile cap to the top of the structure. The structure contains hand-laid rock embankment with 500 mm thick stone masonry and covered with concrete slope protection. The concrete slope protection is doubly reinforced 0.2 meter thick structure concrete reinforced with 12 mm diameter bars spaced at 0.3 meters. Parapet wall is also installed at with a 1 meter by 0.3 meter dimension, installation of 38 mm diameter GI stair railings is located every 50 meters. The fourth quarter CNPD of FY 2023 price was used as reference in pricing material components of the pay item of works. And also, standard labor rates as of December 2023 for required compensation of manpower workforce and ASEL rate series of 2021, edition 26 for rental rates of utilized equipment for the project.
For further instruction to leaders, this is going to be to 5 projects. Complete set of building documents can be acquired on February 28, 2024 to March 19, 2024 at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Bidders can make payment for the purchase of the documents at any DPWH field office. It may be also be downloaded from Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PGIPS website www.pgips.gov.ph or at DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Cut-off time for securing the new proposal payment is at 8:45 a.m. For the payment will be to the accounting section is at 9:15 a.m. or on a deadline date for the receipt by the box of bids on March 19, 2024. The technical and financial documents must be printed, bounded, marked, and properly sealed. Bid submission may be done manually or by electronically. And bidders should only select one mode of bid submission by manual or by electronic. For manual submission, bidders shall present official receipt of payment. Only the owner, authorized representative, as reflected in the CRC, will be allowed to transact business related to the bidding matters as per DEO 107 series of 2001. And also must present two government issued ID with photos and signature. Bids must be duly received by the Box Secretariat on March 19, 2024 at 10 a.m. or either by manual submission at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office, Procurement Office, Paulog, Ligao City. For online or electronic submission at electronicbids_albay3 at dpwh.gov.ph, late bid will not be accepted. Bid opening will be on March 19, 2024, right after the deadline for submission and drafting of bids at the Procurement Unit Office, DPWH, Paulog, Ligao City. Bid will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative. As per Section 30 of the 2016 revised IRR RA 9184, preliminary examination of the bids, the box shall check the submitted documents of its bidder against a checklist of required documents to ascertain if they are all present using a non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as stated in the instruction to bidders. The contract will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidders for LCRB determined during post-qualification. And this office will implement DEO 17 series of 2015 strike policy for the procurement of contract for infrastructure work, goods, and consulting services. And also this office complies with the provision of DEO 34 series of 2020 basic hygiene workplace sanitation and social distancing measures to be observed during bidding. Bidders are advised to indicate their company official email address in the bidding documents. Official communication pertaining to this procurement after the bidding list will be through the internet of said official email address as reflected on the bidding documents. And the DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any or bids declared applicable bidding or not to award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 35.1 and 41 of the 2016 revised IRR of RE 9184 without any incurring liability or affected bidders. Let's proceed to our next project. Contract ID 23G FO0072. Name of contract for purchase of one make service vehicle for use in infrastructure, road safety project implementation, maintenance activities, and disaster response transport personnel, equipment supplies, product, and materials. Approved budget for the contract 2,120,000 pesos. Duration 30 calendar days. Qualified prospective bidders must be registered as pickup, let's pickup business category senior or small B. Amount of bidding documents 5,000 pesos only. Complete set of bidding documents can be acquired by interested bidder on February 27, 2024 to March 18, 2024 at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And bidders can make payment of the purchase of bid documents at any DPWH field office. Cut-off time for securing the memo for order of payment is at 9:30 a.m. For the payment of fee to the accounting section at 9:45 a.m. Or on a deadline date for the receipt by the back of bids on March 18, 2024. The technical and financial documents must be generated by date, mark, and properly received. For the details of this procurement will be discussed by our end user, Engineer Alan Biada. Please proceed.
Hello, good morning. For the description of our proposed project, as follows. Pick up must have 2.4 to 2.8 liters engine displacement. Diesel feed 4x4, 6 or 7 speed automatic transmission. For the specifications, ventilated disc front brakes and drum rear with a seating capacity of 5 persons. Anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution and brake assist. The proposed project has inclusives of warranty of 5 years or 150 kilometers, whichever comes first. We said 3 years DPWH registration, 3 years DPL liability insurance, and exclusive of 1 year GSIS comprehensive insurance. With free DPWH logo articles, window, seat cover, car mapping, bedliner, rain visor, tools, and early warning device. And for our additional requirement, the participating bidder must be an authorized dealer of the car company he or she is representing. That's all, sir.
To continue, bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office, Procurement Office, Paulog City, on or before March 18, 2024 at 10 a.m. Late bid will not be accepted. Bid opening will be on March 18, 2024 at 10:30 a.m. Bid will be open in the presence of the bidders representative. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using an undiscretionary pass qualification as specified in the 2016 revised IRR of Public Act number 1. And this office will implement DEO 17 series of 2015 three-strike policy in the procurement of contract for infrastructure work, goods, and consulting services. And also, this office complies with the provision of DEO 34 series of 2020 basic hygiene workplace sanitation and social distancing measures observed during meeting. Bidders are advised to indicate their company official email address in the bidding documents. Official communication pertaining to this procurement after the documents will be through the internet on said official email address as reflected on the bidding documents. The DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office reserve the right to reject any bid and to annul the bidding process anytime before the contract award without incurring any liability to the affected bidders. In accordance with the provision of Section 41 of Act 2024 in its IFR. That ends our private conference for today, and I would like to acknowledge all the audiences of this procurement activities. Thank you very much for watching.